In this video, we're going to walk through a simple solution for fixing your Honor Choice Earbuds X5 if either the left or right earbud isn't working. Don't worry, it's a pretty straightforward fix, and you can do it in just a few steps. The first thing you'll want to do is place both of your earbuds back into the charging case. Once they're in the case, close it and wait a few seconds. After a brief pause, open the case again. This simple action helps reset the connection between the earbuds and the case. Next, take the earbuds out case and hold them both in your hands for about 10 seconds. It's important to keep both earbuds together during this process. Just hold them firmly for around 10 seconds. And during that time, the earbud should reset. After the 10 seconds, they should automatically disconnect from any devices they were previously connected to. This reset process is really helpful when you're having issues with one of the earbuds not working or when they're not connecting properly. Once the reset is complete, place the earbuds back into the case for a moment, close it, and then open it again. This step ensures they're ready for a fresh connection. When you take the earbuds out of the case again, they should work as expected. You may want to try reconnecting them to your phone or other devices to ensure everything is working correctly. This method is simple, but it can often solve common issues like one earbud not working or the earbuds not connecting properly. If the earbuds are still having problems after trying this reset, it could be a good idea to check the battery levels or see if there's any debris in the charging case or on the earbuds that could be interfering with the connection.